Yo, what up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be box breaking two of these bad boys. I mainly wanted to pull the branded bits just for rarity bump and stuff, but hopefully we can pull a QCR. So yeah, let's just get into it and see what we can, Electro, Infinite, Rally Loss. Okay. May the luck be with me, Scrap Goblin, Earthbound, Hexa Spirit. Ooh, a little cheeky guy. Well, that's the secret, avoid. Okay, so that's the first secret pull. White Circle, Rebellion, Frozen, Toy Tank, Snatch Steel, and that's the other secret. Jeez, both secrets pulled right at the start. Retribution, Sprite. Oh, so it is multiple secrets. I didn't even think that. At least I got my gigantic. So I do want some of the branded bit. Some of the Sprite stuff. Medallion, Pixels, Attribution, Branded Fusion. Synchro Panic, Genetics, Medallion. We got the Ritual Beast. Secret. It's hard to tell with this lighting in here. Sprite Jet. Might as well just skip through. Ace. Spirit, White Circuit, Guard Dogs, and Proxy. Need to make sure that I'm keeping these tidy. Come on. Am I going to get a QCR? Tybox, Gathering, Blaze. Sprite Blue, next, Sprite Gamma Versa, and the Vanubis. Ancient Gear Dragon. I'll be able to fly through these, because I know the majority of people have watched these videos. Ritual Beast. So we're getting quite a lot of Ritual Beast stuff, which is pretty sick. I know a lot of people are thinking of building that. I haven't looked into it too much, but it does look good. Toy Soldier, Proxy. Don't want to be seeing that guy, man. Give me something nice. Give me some more brand fusions. And the Vanubis. Give me a QCR, please. This. Ancient Dragon. So I pulled a few things out I do want, but nothing amazing to where's the moneymaker. Ooh. Ritual Beast, Genetics, Skeleton, Diviner Herald, Arms of Genetics. Herald is a nice pull. I do want a playset of that, which is pretty good. Spirit, Infinite, Orcus, Void, Ice Jade. Golden Soul, Sacrifice, Hexa again, Ritual Beast. Woo! This line's so hard to tell if I get a QCR, but I imagine it's going to glow if I pull one. Oh my god, this pack is just like destroyed. Branded Sword. Another. Oh! Phantom of Bubel, let's go. Woo! Nice little pull right there. Don't need it, but it's one of the good cards in the box, so that's good. Body Breach, Bright Red, General Chalice, Subtly Toad. Alright, I don't even think we're half. I think we're nearly done on like the first box. Wonky Sprite, Sky Striker. Give me a QCR, and I'll be happy. Ritual Beast. Colin Lord. I think it's a sign for me to play Ritual Beast. Oh no. Comment below. I want to know more about it. Oh yes. Need that guy for Sprite. Because then you can bring Totally Awesome back on the field. Toy Box, Infinite. Never Ice Jade. Toy Box stuff is going to be good as well. For the White Woods Law. Ritual Beast, Arcus, this. Shining Star Dragon. I did want to get one of them. I was going to pre-order one, but I was iffy about it. I just like the artwork on it. It just looks really nice. Shit, that. Ice Jade. So that's been reprinted again. Interesting. Not watched any unboxing. I only knew that they was doing branded stuff, so kind of tempting. Got Cartesia, Genix, Infinite, Ritual Beast, Wing Karibo level 10. Right, I think we're now moving on to the next box, if I'm right, based on how many packs look like they've been opened. Another Ritual Beast, come on. This Toy Box Bunch, Infinite. This. Okay. At least we're not getting like loads of dupes. Pretty good in the secrets. Just happy I pulled that U-Bell. Oh my. Oh. Come on. Give me that QCR look. I'm so unlucky recently. I just always get a bad luck. I'm gonna do it. This. Alright. Still got a decent amount to go yet. Still that chance. Snatch Steel. And loads of these Retro Beasts now. Might even have the full chorus right here. This. Infinite. Sprite Red. Retro Beast. Merjade. Yeah, boy. What's that? Eden's son? Oh, Ebon's son. Little cheeky little Merjade there. What? You need to do a secret Merjade, in my opinion. Sprite Springe. This. Ace. Alright, how many packs have we got left? Got around about 6 to 8 packs left. Genetics. Just, oh, give me another U-Bell. I'll be happy with that. Infinite. This. Proxy, we don't want to see that one. Give me another U-Bell, give me a QCR. That's a lot of Infinite in this pack. Another Gigantic Sprite. Not too bad, right? We have got 4 packs remaining. This. Okay. Nearly there. This. Another Ritual Beast. What else do we get in that? Oh, get that there. Division, Void, Sprite Red. What's this one? Oh, another Iceberry. Nice. Alright, 2 packs left. Come on. Infinite, Branded Sword, Freezing Curses. Synchro Creed. Last pack. Just give us that QCR look. Come on. Scrap Goblin. Gen X. I don't think it is. It's going to be something bad in it. Infinite, I'm guessing. Well, I guess. But yeah, guys, I think the best pull is going to be my Phantom of U-Bell. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.